Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, How to See Instagram Reels Watch History. So, let's get started. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap the menu icon, 3 lines, in the top right corner. Select your activity. Scroll down and tap Watch History. You'll see a list of all the reels you've previously watched. Use filters to sort by oldest or newest. You can also view videos from a specific date range, or filter by author. To delete items, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the videos you want to remove, tap Remove, and confirm. The process lets you easily access or manage your Reels watch history. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.